Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using Auto Light and Dark mode on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Select General. At the top of General, select Auto. When your Mac is on Auto, it will automatically adjust the appearance of menus, buttons and windows throughout the day and change between light and dark mode according to the time of day. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.